You know that I'm a crazy bitch. I do what I want when I feel like it. All I wanna do is lose control.
Hi. Hi, Luna. Luna, happy birthday diyan. So, sa mamande. Sigulang na dun ka. As na pud ka. Siguro, kadun. Ni si Luna kay nailanin ako as a na tao na saba. Joker ka may. Pero kadun siya. Na respectful siya si friend. And pinaka-joker siguro na ako na ay akong memorable na ako na di naguban mo kay katudjong wala kita kay wala ulo ka man basta always siguro always as a friend and di man jud kay tayo na gauban kay kapiyaan ko pero I know na you enjoy with the friends you have right now especially the Chicksis. Yeah. Someday you will find the right person for you, but kuan muna, service muna bago relasyon. With that, God bless and happy birthday. Birthday Joy.
Took one look and now we're not the same.
Don, nangita aray si mama. Kay pasilig na kanya sa balay. Dito. Happy birthday, Bito. And I wish more blessings to come and more birthdays to come. And thank you for the friendship. Oh, keep smiling.
Hi Ron! So, hapit ng Christmas, so hapit namang birthday ni mo. So, karon kabalo na ko sa imong birthday. Secret ni mo sa una ba? Sige. So, greet lang ako. Happy birthday! So, ingat.
It's been a while since every day and everything has felt this right.
Robert Domingo here, and I just want to say happy birthday to you. Thanks so much for rocking all of our world, and keep on smiling, kita.
I smile.
Hi. Askas na ang thank you kuya. Kita. Happy birthday Joy. Thank you for being a good sister. Thank you for being one of my childhood best friends. Isa sa di na ko malimtan ng memory ng DJ is dili mi matulog sa una kung dili mag-story si Papa Tamo tungkol sa magbalik-balik na siya story. Wala na siya story, di ko na matulog. Kita, Joy, I wish you good health and happiness on your birthday. May God bless you more and continue to be a good person, Joy. I love you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Mutaas ang tayo mong height kung dili na ka maldita.
I smile.
Happy birthday, Ate Joy! May you have more birthdays to come. Good health, good life, and more candles to blow. More peace life. Pagmutaas ko unta ka gamay. Happy birthday, Nak! Love you!
Tutangon na ko ang litson ni mo na ka.
Hi, Tidoy! Happy 21st birthday! I hope you enjoy your day and be happy always. Love you! More birthdays to come. Bye-bye!
Pwede na ka makuyab-uyab. Pwede na ka makuyab-uyab. Pwede na ka makuyab-uyab.